Welcome to the Chic Show. Today I have 5 easy, cute Halloween decor ideas for you. This orange paper plate holder I found at a thrift store, and I'm going to be cutting out some eyes, nose, and a mouth to make a jack-o'-lantern, but it's also going to have kind of a scarecrow look to it. And you can see here how I added a scarecrow type mouth. Now I'm going to be using a couple of things from Dollar Tree. This is one of the hula skirts from the Dollar Tree summer section, and I'm just using some of that raffia and tying it on as more of a scarecrow hair look. And I'm just hot gluing those onto the paper plate holder. I'm also going to be using one of these small scarecrow hats. Once I've hot glued the raffia to the top of the paper plate holder, I'll add the small hat to finish it off. I'm going to be making a friendly little ghost for the next project. I'm using one of these clear containers from Dollar Tree, and I took it outside and I gave it a coat of white spray paint on the outside. I then used some vinyl just to cut out eyes with my scissors. Once I place the eyes onto the ghost, then I can decide what I'm going to do with the top. Next, I cut a styrofoam ball in half and gave it a coat of Waverly black ink chalk paint. And I took some of this broccoli looking floral that I had that I didn't really care for, and I took it outside and spray painted it black. I'm just going to use the floral foam, and I'm going to place all of the little flowers and leaves into the top of that foam and place it on top of our ghost. I decided our little ghost friend needed something a little extra, so I decided to give her a white flower crown. I think this is such a budget-friendly, cute Halloween decor idea. I decided to try my hand at the spooky painting trend that's going around, and I found this canvas from Dollar Tree. I didn't really trust my hand at painting, so I decided to use some of Dollar Tree's Halloween rub-on transfers. So I placed them in various areas and simply rubbed them onto the canvas, and they worked just fine. This might be my favorite project today, and I already have an idea on a Christmas canvas. This project is very simple. I'm just using one of these Dollar Tree frames. I love this frame. It's very usable for many different projects. I put a piece of black scrapbook paper in between the two glasses, and then I'm going to be using these window clings from Dollar Tree as well. This is the perfect two-sided decoration for tiered trays. These yoga skeletons really cracked me up, and I had to use these for my daughter's room. So I took them outside and gave them a coat of light pink spray paint, and that's all that these little skeletons needed. Thanks so much for watching, and remember to share the chic. I have another video here I think you'd like. Bye now.